Don't you think we need more practice with and or in coding?
Yes, my brain feels like a half-baked cookie.
What can we do?
Let's ask the teacher for more assignments.
Great idea! Maybe we can get something fun this time.
Hello, young coders.
Hello, teacher.
teacher.
Teacher, can you give us more tasks to practice and or operators?
Absolutely. We need to form a football team. Players must be between 10 and 14 years old. Can you write a program to help me select them quickly?
Yes, teacher, we'll do it.
Time to put our coding hats on.
What information do we need?
The player's name and age, right?
Yep, let's write the input lines.
Now, we check if the age fits. Which operator should we use? And or?
I think or. If age greater than 10 or age less than 14.
No. If we use or, any one condition can be true. That means a player could be 9 or even 50 and still be selected.
You're right. We should use and because both conditions must be true.
And we should include players who are exactly 10 and 14.
So we use greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Smart thinking, Kalin.
Let's test your program. Your code is working perfectly. Well done.
We are coding wizards.
One more task. You all have theory and practical coding exams. To pass, you must score at least 15 in both. Write a program to check if a student passes.
Easy peasy.
Excellent work. Tani will need to retake his theory exam.
Now we totally understand and.
Hello, detectives. Today we cracked the mystery of the and operator. Let's sum it up. And means both conditions must be true, like needing both ice cream and cake to have a perfect party. We used it to select football players aged 10 to 14. We used it to check if students passed both exams. If we used or instead, the results would be all wrong. Imagine picking players who are 100 years old. Next time, we'll explore or and its superpowers. Until then, keep coding and keep having fun. Bye-bye.
Get ready for some fun? Watch the latest Aadi and Gogu episode, answer the questions, and you could win an awesome gift hamper. It's super easy. Just watch, think, and compete. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to play. Stay tuned for the quiz and the chance to win big.